Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time. I'm sorry, but if you guys have been following me on TikTok, I always have it linked down below. As some of you guys may know, my TikTok got taken down like right before summer started and I still haven't been able to get it back. It was like my account that was verified with 3 million followers and like a bunch of memories. So yes, I miss it. I miss it a lot just because like I've had it since like end of Musical.ly days and like the very start of TikTok. So it's just like, it's tough. I've been trying to contact TikTok team and like, but they've been no help. Like literally nobody's replying to me. I did get in contact with like TikTok on Twitter support and then I messaged them like literally like 3 times and still nothing. Like I still ask them like hello, and nobody answers me, but that's a whole different story. I do have a new TikTok account. We're at like 300k, so thank you guys so much for following me on there. It means so much. Super busy with just like focusing on TikTok because I've been doing lots of like crazy Halloween looks and just inspired videos, and you guys are eating it up, and I'm getting more of you to discover that I indeed started off by doing my content as a beauty guru. I have not lost it. It's still here and it's getting better and better actually. Like I had no idea that I was able to even do some of those looks. I just went in like very blinded. Also, I hate casually wearing hair ties like this. It like bugs me. It's one of my pet peeves. But I'm currently doing my makeup right now to go do a photo shoot with Sophie. You guys know I always do creative photo shoots with Sophie, and we've been doing this for like the past 2 years I think. And today she was like, hey, I'm gonna be coming in from LAX, so I'm gonna pick her up and we're gonna head over to her house. She got the supplies that we need. I picked up the fake blood and she picked up like the shower curtains that we need to do this Kylie Jenner inspired photo shoot. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put it right here. Also, don't mind the mess that I have in the back. I have so many videos planned and I'm a mess, but here I am. It's fine. We're back and we're better than ever. I'm feeling my creative juices just flowing and flowing and flowing. But also, we're gonna be doing that look, and I do want to start off by saying, YouTube, please do not take down this video because it is play blood. Let's not take this down, please. So right now I didn't really know what I wanted to do for the makeup. I was just kind of going with it, but I really always just do that. I always just go with it. So I will show you guys what my makeup looks like after. I'm currently using this new Lady Gaga palette. Can I just tell you guys, this is from Haas Laboratories, and this is the Love for Sale shadow palette. I have not been excited over a makeup palette in such a long time, and that's saying a lot that I'm excited about this one. I know you guys may be like, it looks like every other palette, but these colors are colors I would use every single day, and if I wanted to use like a pop of color, I could use like that pretty green. Other than that, I'm just very excited. This palette's really pretty, and I'm using the 3 peachy shades, the orangey shades, and I'm just kind of like going with the blood vibe, and then I'm going to be putting some gloss when I get there on top of my eye to give it like that wet glossy look. Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup, and this is what she looks like. I didn't do my hair because it's crazy. It's natural right now, and I'm going to just put a ton of hairspray, a ton of gel, and some water when I get to Sophie's. I was supposed to shave my armpits and I didn't, so I have to go run up and do that because I'm gonna be a tiny bit late to go get her. She just like finished up a trip from Vegas and she's like directly gonna come back and start working, which I admire. But this makeup came out really pretty. I don't normally do like a full beat makeup like this anymore. Like if you guys know, you know, I used to be obsessed with like this type of highlight, but like 10 times over, but I don't do it anymore. And I did it today because I just thought that this would be like such a pretty contrast, especially with like the flash with all the blood. It's like a vision in my head, applying this Lancome Juicy Tubes original gloss on my eyes when I'm there. I think I may also do it on my lips. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be taking my lippy in that, and I think I should be good. So let's go get her. I'm also gonna go get my outfit, which is just like this nude bodysuit, which I'll show you guys right now actually. So I'm also bringing some Aquaphor, and I brought the big tub because you guys know, I'm not sure if you guys know, but blood stains really bad. So I have places to go tomorrow, I have things to do, so I'm gonna be placing this all over my body to kind of like create a barrier, because if you guys dye your hair, you know that you're supposed to be using like Vaseline on your hairline so it doesn't get colored and it just comes off easily. So this is going to be going all over my body. Hopefully I have enough. And this is the bodysuit I'm wearing. You guys will see it later on, but it's just like a new little bodysuit from Fashion Nova. Just a cute little simple skin tone colored one. I didn't tan on purpose because I wanted this look to look more like ghost-like and ghouly. But yeah, that's the goal. So let's go. I'm gonna be in traffic for about like 50 minutes. I'm tempted to get a coffee, I'm not gonna lie, because my head has been like throbbing all day, but that's a whole different conversation. Like if I'm on a coffee for like a week straight, I'm back on the addiction, and if I go like 3-4 days without it, my migraines will go away, and it's so weird. But I need to like train my body off of it again, because one day I'll have a coffee and I'll be like, it's okay, like I can have another one, it's not gonna hurt. Back into my addiction. But caffeine addictions are very real. But now for real, let's go get Sophie. I am now pulling up to Sophie. We're here at LAX. Guys, the traffic in LA, it's like I almost got unused to it, because ever since COVID and the pandemic happened, everything was just like super slowed down. Nobody was really driving that much. There was no traffic at all. A place that usually would take me about an hour to get there took me about only like 30 minutes, so it cut it dramatically. Oh my god, that was Sophie, but it's not. I'm excited. We're about to go over to our house. I was gonna order us boba, but I was in traffic. I'm nervous because my hair is a wreck, so hopefully I can like salvage it when I get to our house. We're at Sophie's now. We're moving all her furniture like to the side. We're gonna be using this wall here. I'm just like so excited to see how this is gonna turn out, because we're literally
5 minutes of fame.
Hi baby. I think this is Thor.
That's Thor.
Hi Thor. Where's Loki?
He's under the couch.
Loki, where you going? Come here. Mister. Hi. The fact that we're shooting this in the living room is just like really exciting to me, because this is gonna come out really juicy. I can feel it in my bones. Sophie's about to combust one of her sheets right now.
I'll send you the invoice.
Shut up. I don't know how to approve of this. Thor wants to be a part of this magic. Dory Worry.
What the fuck did you just call me?
That's his new name.
What?
Dory Worry.
Sophie Wolfie. Got me flowers, but I fucking saw the card and I was like, this bitch does not call me Sophie Wolfie.
Because I didn't know your last name. I was like, what do I put for the last name? Okay, this is juicy. What are we using for the lighting? We're just using flash?
Yeah.
Okay. Hee hee, my fave. I'm surprised my makeup doesn't look dusty yet. I didn't bring any like powder.
I'm passing it. I could leave my pins.
This is already coming together. Almost there.
You see my little pins?
Oh yeah, up your ass around the corner. You're done. Please, let's just take a moment. Just a disclaimer, this is indeed fake blood. Hi guys, I'm back home. I look kind of crazy because I took a shower at Sophie's and I didn't have like any makeup remover, so my face is still kind of on. But I am making some soup dumplings right now, the ones that were viral on TikTok. The blood was literally all over me. You guys were able to see. Nothing on my face, nothing on my chest or my arms. Literally just on the palms of my hand. Hi, BB. BB wanted to say hi. But I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Good night.